Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag. And if you're watching this, and if you know me, I love scraps. Do you love scraps? Do you love even the tiniest of pieces like these little cuties? Aren't they fun? So pretty. After all, they cost as much as your yardage costs. But they're better because they're full of memories. Memories of all the quilts you made previously with those little bits. So I've got the perfect thing for them. So you can make beautiful quilts. My new book, Crumb Quilts, is for you. You can learn how to turn those tiny pieces into beautiful quilts. Let's take a peek at what we will find inside. For all of you who have asked and waited and wondered when my love pillow pattern would be available, it's available in the book. Yay! So get it and make it. You don't have to wait anymore. Inside the book, you'll learn how to make crumb fabric, and you can make it all colorful, like in Twist and Shout and Beaded Curtain. Or just go low volume, like in Over the Rainbow. Use it as a background with those larger chunks to make an underwater, under the sea adventure. There are big projects like bed quilts, but there are also small projects like this cute pincushion. Learn tricks how to applique with this beautiful made fabric to give your applique a richer, more diverse look. So grab those bitty bits. Let's turn it into fabric and make beautiful quilts. The link to buy the book is in the description below. Have fun making beautiful quilts!